your flashing button. Better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left, right. Now let's go get them. Pilot, make the jump to light speed.
What are you doing?
I don't have anything.
Yes, yes, keep shooting.
I can't.
Take it easy, Doctor. There it is, after that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent, now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friend.
I never used that.
Power up the ship. Well, I have the gold axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something of bundle. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last hour. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. Cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will drive. You keep up to the train. Punch. Oh, that's ridiculous. Cut distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry!
Why'd you miss? Big wheel.
Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! Boost! Look! You're dying! Let's get out of here!
I'm gonna kill us all.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now have to